You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce this confusing word. We'll be looking at how to say more confusing words. Can you pronounce it? Well, it's an exclamation and an onomatopoeia. Whoa, I know the spelling suggests it should be said woa or woe. No, whoa. You could spell it W-O-W. Whoa. Really? Whoa. I'm impressed. More videos for you here to learn more correct pronunciations like this video. If you found it useful, I appreciate the support. It helps a lot. Thanks for that, and thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.